In this video, I'm going to illustrate the concept of the new week opening gap, highlight its significance, and emphasize the benefits of integrating it into your trading strategy. Furthermore, I will show you how to incorporate this strategy effectively. The new week opening gap, often referred to as NWOG, denotes the gap that emerges between the closing price on Friday and the opening price on Sunday. Each week consistently presents some form of gap in this space between the end of Friday and the beginning of Sunday. This particular zone holds great importance due to its influence on price dynamics. Price trends frequently gravitate towards revisiting this level, and their responses to it tend to be quite pronounced. It is imperative to mark out this region on your trading chart every week and maintain its visibility throughout the trading week. The rationale behind integrating this concept into your trading approach lies in its ability to offer additional contextual information, reinforce convergence of factors, and construct a narrative for your trading decisions. I will do a walkthrough of how to apply this on your charts. It's worth noting that you should undertake the task of marking out this gap on the 15-minute chart every week. While the appearance might differ across various time frames, it is advisable to use the 15-minute chart for optimal results, and I will guide you through the process. So here we are on this chart, and this is Friday the 21st of July, and this is Sunday the 23rd of July. And here you can see this little gap that is formed, and I already had this pre-marked up, but let me just pull it across right here. And so you're going to mark out this area as your new week opening gap. And if you recall, I had mentioned that price is often drawn to this level, and it usually finds a way to make it back to this level. So as you can see from the new opening gap, the price went up, it came down and touched the gap. Then it reacted and went back up and came back and touched the gap once again. And you can see it made another strong reaction upwards and came back down. It slightly consolidated, but then the selling pressure was so high that it pushed further down. But then, as you can see, it pushed back up once more and touched the gap. Made another strong move downwards, and you can see it came back up, touched the gap, went back down again. And here we have it touching the gap another time, making a strong move upwards, and then the market made a very strong upward movement. And then after this downtrend, you can see it came and touched the gap again multiple times. So, as you can see, the price is really drawn to this level. And if you notice, I had marked out the gap from Sunday all the way through Friday. And here's the following week. You can see this is Friday the 28th of July, and this is Sunday the 30th of July, and I had pre-marked this one as well. As you can see, here's the gap, and the market went up and touched the gap here with this candle. It went up and came back down and touched it again. Another upward movement came back down and touched it once more. And you can see it consistently going up and being drawn to this gap several times. Here's a section where the wick touches the gap. This part came pretty close, but then didn't make it all the way up. And that's the end of it there. But as you can see, this area has a strong pull on the price during the course of the week. And this is something that you can look out for in your trades. And you could even say that this acts somewhat as a support or resistance level, and you could use it along with other strategies such as a break and a retest. For example, right here you can see where the market was consolidating a little bit and it touched the gap. But what you could do is wait for it to break and retest. And as you can see right here, we had a break and a retest, and then the market pushed down, and there were several other retests, but then it made a strong downward movement. So that's just another way in which you could use this new opening gap in your strategy. Remember to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. Click the link in the description to join our Telegram group and watch us trade. Happy trading!